Okay everyone, this is a quick explanation on how to solve the echo issue if you see an echo issue in your Remio server. So the first thing you want to do is when you are speaking, you will see the speaking bar for someone else pop up when an echo is present. I can't reproduce it now because it only happens every now and then, but Jen, quickly say a few words for us to see the speaker bar above your head.
Hello, my name is Jane.
Cool. So you saw those speaker bars above her head, and basically what you want to do is while you're speaking, just see who else that comes from to identify where the echo is coming from. Then there are two things you can do. The first one is go to Jen and just ask her to turn down her headset volume. If the headset volume is on the max, sometimes this could feed back into the microphone, and typically just taking it down to about 90 or 80% will solve the problem. So the way you reduce volume is at the bottom of the headset, the bottom right. The second thing you can do if that doesn't work is as a host or a team admin, you will have access to host controls. So if you open up your big menu, you will see these extra host controls. You can see all the tools that you have here as a host or a team admin. And the button you want to press is this debug mode. So when you turn that on and close this menu, you will see a debug status above Jen's head. And what you can do here is when you run up to Jen and click on her, her details panel will pop up. And the button you want to press to try and resolve the echo issue is this switch mic button down here. So as soon as you press that, a different microphone on her headset will be used, and that one will most likely not echo. Jen, can you just say a few words again?
Tasting, tasting. Hello.
Okay. And that should solve any echo issues. Thank you.